Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hi your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican Cooking Journey. If you're very new right on over here, there's always a special welcome waiting for you. And those of you who are there with me from the beginning of this cooking journey, and you're still here, all I can say to you is manners and respect. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, we're going to be doing a simple meal, but I'm going to be showing you how you can just put simple little twist to it and at all times make it so tasty. We're going to be doing today tin mackerel. We're using jack mackerel, and you can choose your brand of choice, and rice. So we are going to fix it the Jamaican way, tin mackerel and white rice. Sometimes you're at home and you want to say, what should we do for dinner? What can I do for dinner? I need to know. And somebody say, feel like I eat some steaming hot rice, and some nice tin mackerel properly cook up, well proper. That's what we're going to be doing today on the Jamaican Cooking Journey. I've got me here some white rice, and I am gonna go wash it. You can do it, I would say, the healthy way, because say white rice, everybody has say white rice not healthy. I'm not sure, but I think the main thing is to get out most of the starch. When you can get most of the starch out, I think it's okay, then you can do it, or you can do it how you want. There is a video there that shows you how to do it that way. I'm not going to be doing it this way on this video because of, I'm just going to be doing it the regular way. So I'll go wash it about 4 to 5 times. I always wash my rice because I don't know jasmine and a basmati and all of them something there. It's just regular old Jamaican rice. So when you see me in the next clip, my rice will be washed. I'll have it and I'll show you how we're going to proceed. Okay, fam, we are back. And I know somebody's going to say, Lachi not even show me how we wash the rice. That is a preparation of the rice. Is a part of the video too. Yes, it is. But I have so many videos out there. So let me show you something. You want to wash your rice for a pretty good 5 times the least to make sure this is the water that we're going to cook the rice in. I'm stirring it around a bit, and I can get my flame up at this minute too, at this point too, no problem. So you want to wash your rice, for a pretty, if you're using that just regular white rice, for a pretty good 5 times. Until you see the water looks like this, that when you look, you can see what the rice there in the pot. You don't want to just wash off the rice with just one little water and then all of that heavy starch. Wash the rice. It is your rice, and your body is going down into family. It's going in your stomach. You have to wash it, wash that heavy starch. And that is why most of the times I do it the way. I'm going to leave the link to that video. But I'm going to be honest, sometimes you're running late and you don't have that time. None of us are perfect because it takes a little time. But that time, it is best that time. But if you wash it properly for a good 5 times, sometimes some of them may get me to wash it all 6, 7. But I take the time because it's going down into my stomach. So once you can get that heavy starch wash off the rice, you can eat one little white rice sometime. You don't have to eat it every day because doctor not prescribe it for you. At this point now, we're going to be putting in some salt. I'm going to be putting in like about this, because I don't want it too salty and all of that. So we are stirring it around, making sure all our salt is properly dissolved. And at this point, you can either start your rice with hot water or you can start it with cold water. It doesn't make a difference. And 2, somebody's going to say, what did she say? What water did she use? I did not use the hot water to wash the rice. I use cold water, room temperature water, wash the rice. And you can, as I said, you can start it with either cold water or hot water. It does not matter. So at this point, we are here coming to a boil. So I'm going to leave my lid on, giving it a little space, because the rice foams up. But let me tell you something. When you spend a lot of time and wash your rice, your regular rice that I'm talking, like lots of times until you get off that heavy starch, very rare it comes up when it starts boiling with that lot of, because that's a starch, Anywho, we're going to leave it there because I'm going to be putting in some butter. And I've given it that salt because I'll be using unsalted butter. So rice is at that point and all of that. So when I return, the rice will be at the point we're gonna put in the butter, and then that will be the perfect time for you to start putting this tin mackerel together. I've already removed my label. Gonna go wash it now. Go prep all my little veggies, my little seasonings that I'm gonna be using in there. And when you see me next, I'll be right back at you, ready for just put this little dish. This thing it's not a long thing, it's just an easy thing. But preparation, the preparation for you to enjoy it is the key. Okay, now rice is coming to a boil. I'm putting in my butter. And I'm gonna be stirring it and to let that butter melt and all of that. Most of it will be melted out. So you give it a good stir until all of it is, most of it, you don't have to stir. You're gonna make sure, you see that? You have your nice little butter all, you know, you just give it a few stirs. So you're gonna put your cover down right there and you're gonna lower your flame. Cause you know, so steam it, so you just, you know, you cook your rice, not, you know, on a low flame, forget it. You know, you cook rice, eh? Yeah, man. Right on over here, we've got our oil being preheated and all of that. We have got here some little stuff. In Jamaica, we say, we look cook up. Free-handedly, I'm gonna be cutting up these scallions and all of that. You know my freehand thing, and I want you to learn to do freehand cutting and not to, you know. Well, I guess some people can do it from the comments in the comment section. So I'm doing this now, cutting up all of my little scallions, and I'm also gonna be cutting up this speck of garlic. So, me soon come. Okay. So my oil is here, and we're gonna put in the scallion and just the garlic. That is what we are gonna be using to flavor the oil. And from you put it in this oil, and you will know Jamaican cooking is going on wherever you are, and you do it like this. The aroma that the scallion and the garlic brings out. You will know long time so Jamaican cooking. It's the most beautiful flavor in any kitchen. Green scallions, garlic, and the ginger. It's the most beautiful aroma. And I'm talking to you, all the top chef them, all of them who have other YouTube cooking channels. Say something. You might not want to say it, but if you know about it, say something that scallions, garlic, and real ginger root brings out the best aroma in any kitchen, any dish, and I like that. So now we're flavoring up our we're not gonna let it burn, you know. Remember, you know, so the scallion is a little man, and the garlic too, they love burn. So we are gonna swirl it around because we want this nice flavor come out in the tin mackerel and all of that. So swirling it around and the aroma starts coming out. That you smell it? Yeah. And the aroma hit the plate, them in the dish drain of the plate, them start kick up rumpus. Did you all hear that? Now it's time for some tomatoes, onions, and me have some pepper. This is ghost pepper. I don't know what them call it. I think they call it ghost pepper. This purple red looking pepper, it's very hot. So I'm gonna put in all of these right now and all of that. Gonna get them all stuffed. You know what? Them burning us. So you know what you're gonna be doing? You're gonna turn your flame down. Sometimes the mackerel gravy is red and pretty. Sometimes it's not all that red. So the tomato there, because you know what in it till you pull the mackerel in. So I always try to put a little tomato. It not gonna do it no harm, you know. It will be more, you know, tastier, more, you know what I mean. So let's cover this and give it about 2 minutes to steam down to let them get a little on the soft side, you know. So when we return, we'll be dealing with our mackerel. I'm going to show you how you deal with the mackerel thing. With the rice, forget it, make it taste nice. Okay. On the low, I could get it up a little higher because at the time now, when we have to put in we little mackerel. So as I showed you before, you know we wash with tinners then. You know we talk about that already. And all of that. So I'm using this one that you pull back, which is so easy. So when you put in the mackerel in here now, you want to have it on a very high heat. So we're using jack mackerel. You can use your mackerel of choice. Wow, that one enough. That one enough could have feed the almost The whole of my YouTube family then. Wow. Mackerel enough, mackerel nice. Now you want to lower your flame because you know want a nice little gravy there and all of that. So you want to open it, you know, mash up the mackerel, you know. Because this is another dirty girl, you know, mash up that one. This is jack mackerel. So this is what you have now that you turn it down and all of that. Yeah. Can get it up back a little more. Now, it depends on your tasting, your liking. Some of them, to be honest, they need a little troops of salt. So if it is that you taste it and it want a little salt, you can do it. Some of them are perfect, but some of them just want a little troops of salt. As I said to you, salt does not give no flavor. It just brings flavors together in a dish. Now, I'm not going to put any salt. I want to know me and my salt. I'm going to be putting in some of this thing here. We're going to be putting in some white distilled vinegar. If you have apple cider, use it too. But go a little less. So I'm going to put in about 2 corkful in this thing here. Let me get my flame down. Wow, you smell it in mackerel flavor, Dad?
Yes.
Lad, man. So I'm going to put about 2 corkful of the vinegar inside of this thing here. This vinegar is going to give it the perfect taste. It is gonna work against the fishy taste of the mackerel, and it will just be easy on your stomach and all of that. So look at me here. Just turn them over gently and all of that. If your gravy look like it'll get too much, like it too thin, you could bring your flame up. Cause you know some people love the long what gravy thing. You just bring your flame up a bit and you just to the side, you just throw out a little drops of water. Yeah. Yeah, man, you can put a little water in your tin mackerel gravy and all of that. That's the beauty. Let it stay right there. And also, we're going to top off this with a pinch of black pepper. Look at this now. Look at this. The rice is simmering. Look at me here. Dad, right on over here. The mackerel is simmering. We're just going to be topping this off with a little black pepper. That is how you must prepare them. Everybody must be ready at the same time, so you get them nice and hot and steaming. When you see me next, this tin mackerel and rice will be plated just for you, Jamaican style. Must soon come. How easy is this dish? But yet when you prepare it and when you present it properly, it will be fit for a king, for a queen, for Sunday dinner, Father's Day dinner. Must soon come. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It's just simple rice, white rice and tin mackerel done in Jamaican style. If you have liked this video, remember to make sure you give me a big fat thumbs up. Remember to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. When you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. Remember also to press the option all. This is a dish that most Jamaican household will cook it. It's always a little easy dish, but I'm showing it to you I'm showing you how you can take it and just make it, you know, just so nice. We have got a slice of pear. We say pear in Jamaica, but worldwide it's avocado. We have some cucumber, like a halfway ring going around just for presentation. We have got our rice all there, all molded. We have got our tin mackerel there. A little rose on top, looking rather fluxy, but true no semi real me not change it. And all of that. Get your rose looking more pretty. We have got a video there that shows you how to do your little tomato rose. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Tin mackerel and rice are for cooking in my house, baby. What about you? If you cook them something in your house, reel up, good up thing. Make sure you link me in the comment section. Let's talk about tin mackerel and rice, Jamaican style. Thanks for the love once more. Remember to support us with our little merch. Thank you all so much that have been buying your little merch, your cups and all of that. We just want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Remember to make sure not to click off our ads. That is the way we get a little chums, you know, in Jamaica, and not much, you know. So we're just asking you please to remember not to click off our ads. And so we get a little thing we can buy tin mackerel and rice. And you know we all need it down here and all of that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Remember, it doesn't matter what is happening. Be you, do you, and most of all, love you.